Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. And I learned something yesterday. I acquired this file in 3D of this. And I started looking at it and I'm going, you know, especially the border, that when I make 3D, I go from a dark to a light. They're going from just a little bit darker to a little bit lighter. And you can prove it right here. So I ran a test. This was like dark to white. This was less dark and less dark. But let's look at them on the wood. That looks, and the picture is not justified, but that looks equally as well, if not better. And I didn't do it on these two, but I just did it on this test. And what I did find out that, oh, the picture's terrible. These white little dots really show up. I mean, the cuff, now I did sand this off, so a little bit of the part that had never been recessed. I mean, look at that 3D font. It's really cool. So, and also this is a super cool 1 to 3D. I mean, if you look at that, that might be my best 3D effect yet. And this one I actually said the other day I was gonna make a video on. It's okay, but it's on, see, I went from black to a white, or black to a gray, light gray. If I had it to do over, I would do it with this one. You can see the difference. So I learned something, and hopefully you will too. You don't need to go from a black, well, here's a good example. I went from a black to a light gray, and it almost, I didn't take a good picture of it, it almost just made lines. Now I did put some dotted lines around it, and it looked pretty good. So anyway, so when you're drawing in 3D, and I've got plenty of videos in CorelDRAW, tips and tricks on how to draw in a poor man's 3D. I can't do some of the things that some people can out there. But anyway, give that a shot. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.